Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our dental health channel. Did you know that a toothache is one of the most common types of pain that people experience? But don't worry, we have a quick and easy solution while you wait for your dentist appointment. Let's talk about the power of a saltwater rinse. In this video, we are going to answer all your questions. Why use it? How to prepare it? When and how to use it? And, of course, some precautions that you should take into account. Make sure you stay until the end. If you've ever had a toothache, you know that it's one of those experiences wouldn't wish on even your worst enemy. Now, have you ever considered saltwater rinsing as a solution? According to a study published in the Dental Research Journal in 2017, a saltwater rinse may be as effective as some commercial mouthwashes in reducing dental plaque and bacteria. Salt has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that are great for your mouth. But remember, this is not a substitute for a visit to the dentist. Preparing this rinse is a piece of cake. All you need is 1 cup of warm water, 2 teaspoons salt. Mix the salt with warm water in a glass and stir until the salt is completely dissolved. Voila, you have a rinse ready to use. Yes, it's that easy. What is the best time to do this rinse? Ideally, after each meal. This is the time when food particles and bacteria are most present in the mouth. If you have a particularly bad toothache, you can do this rinse several times a day. But be careful, don't go overboard. Too much saltwater rinsing can wear down your tooth enamel due to the high sodium content. Moderation above all. Although this rinse is wonderful, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, if you have hypertension or any other health problem that requires controlling your salt intake, consult your doctor before trying this remedy. Also, if you have sensitive gums or cuts in your mouth, you can dilute the solution with more water to make it less concentrated. Security first. Finally, remember that this remedy is only temporary. If the pain persists or becomes severe, it is time to schedule an appointment with your dentist. Ignoring the problem could lead to much bigger complications in the future. That's all for today. We hope this video helps you combat that toothache effectively. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you and subscribe for more tips on dental health. See you in the next video.